Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if mobile data is not working on your ALCATEL 3 2019. The first thing you want to make sure of is that you have it enabled. To do so, go into the quick drawer and then here make sure it's turned on. If it's blue, that means it's turned on. Also, another thing to note is that your phone will automatically prefer to use Wi-Fi over mobile data. So if you want to use mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi, you might have to turn Wi-Fi off. Now, if mobile data doesn't work, even though Wi-Fi is turned off, you can try turning mobile data off and then back on again. If that, however, doesn't fix your problem, another thing you could try is to turn airplane mode on and then back off again to try and reset connection. You can do that in the quick drawer again, as you can see right here, or under network and connection right here. If all these steps fail, the next thing you could try is to contact your carrier in order to verify your data plan, or simply just make sure you have the signal. You can see our signal strength right here. If you don't have signal, you wouldn't have mobile data. The next thing you can try, of course, is to network and connection, go into mobile network. Here, make sure your preferred network type is set to a proper setting. If you have it set to, for example, 2G only, it wouldn't be able to connect in quite a few areas. As you can see, there's no connection here. Oh, it showed up. So there's really barely any areas that have a 2G connection. 3G most areas should have, but I would recommend keeping it on the top option, as it will allow your network to switch between them depending on what is needed. You may also want to make sure that you have automatically select network turned on, because unless there's some big issues that your carrier is telling you to change this setting for, you shouldn't really turn it off. Also, you want to take a look into access point names and make sure that the access point name you are using is the one your carrier is telling you to use for internet. Also, for example, some carriers may have a separate access point name for MMS and internet, as you can see right here. In which case, if you have selected the MMS option, it might not work. I can tell from experience that I have to, for example, with my carrier, switch to MMS if I ever want to, for example, just download an image that someone sends me in a text. Another thing you can try to look at is if you have a VPN turned on, you can try turning it off if you have it, as it could potentially be messing with your connection. But if none of these things work, you can try making sure that simply your SIM card is inserted properly. If you have connection, you can assume it's inserted properly, but you can also try taking your SIM card out right here, put the metal thing into the little hole below the tray. My hands are shaking, so I have to pick it back up. Put it in and push it in. This will pop the tray out. And as you can see, just take the tray out. Make sure the SIM card is inserted properly. If it is, you can place it back in. Give it a second. Oh, this is not good. Okay, so I put the tray back in, You can also confirm whether the SIM card is inserted properly under Settings, here Network and Connection, and then SIM cards, and make sure your SIM card is turned on. And if you have multiple SIM cards, make sure you have the one with mobile data set up here. And another thing you can try is to simply restart your phone. Press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. Then confirm OK. This will restart your phone. This should also potentially help you, but if it doesn't, you can also try resetting network settings. To do so, you can go into Settings, here System, then Reset, and then Network Settings Reset, Reset Settings, confirm your pattern, and then Reset Settings again. This will, however, unpair you from all of your Bluetooth devices, as well as forget all of your Wi-Fi networks. So take that into account. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.